Alright guys, this is a quick video. This is footage from my 1 year and this is now. It is so exciting to see that my hair is growing. So when I don't have a retwist, I apply my rose water, I get a hairband and my little brush, and I do a half up, half down. This is my go-to when I want to do something different besides just wearing it down in between retwists. You can look at my roots, they're pretty thick. How could I forget one thing that has helped me on this journey?
Don't forget to seal in that moisture.
Definitely going to apply the oil all over my hair. And I just like how it makes my locks feel. Just remember, you don't always have to do a retwist to keep yourself looking cute. Most importantly, thank you so much for watching. More videos to come.